Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is S.G.M Creation Tutorials. This is my DIY candle holder for the Valentine's Day. This is made from recycled materials. Look at here, this is a candle decorated with a pearl lace. This one just simply wrap around, start from the bottom and just coil the candle with this pearl lace. This is a recycled Christmas decorations, and this one is a flower wreath made from the flower wreaths of the ribbon, and just simply put it here on the top of this saucer. This is a saucer. Look at here, this is a saucer, and just put the candle on the top. And this is an empty jar. Look at here, this is an empty jar. Look at here. And I just do it upside down. So inside of this jar is a heart-shaped Christmas ornament shaped like a heart shape, a multicolored heart shape, and I inserted inside to add beauty, and I just do it upside down like that and decorated with the crystal lace with the ribbon by just fixing it with the adhesive glue. And this heart shape is a cutout from the recycled magazine. So this one is all recycled materials, and this one is a serving plate decorated with artificial flowers from my flower base, and this is a pine cones from the forest I collected, and this one, the leaves, is from artificial flowers. So this plate I have to just put on the top of the jar, and this is now our instant DIY candle holder for the Valentine's Day. All you need is to have one candle and just produce any recycled materials from your Christmas decorations. So I hope you like this project. So just give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. So thank you for watching, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone. This is our DIY candle holder for the Valentine's Day. Thank you for all my subscribers for always supporting my channel, and see you again in my next video. Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood ng aking project. Bye-bye! Happy Valentine's Day!